So here's what we're going to do. We need to buy SGOV. Let's go do that right now. Let's go do that right now. Like right now. Let's go do it.
Let's do it.
So this is the Ovtlyr fund. Yesterday portfolio tracker right there. Yesterday we got it in line. We reconciled it to our spreadsheet over here. But you know what we're going to do today, Joe? We're going to buy some SGOV. So yesterday we closed it 3/31/26. What we're going to do is we're going to copy this line down for 4/1/26 because I'm going to buy the mess out of the dip. Oh, goodness gravy. Chris is going to buy the actual dip in SGOV. Now
you're not going to use the stock calculation helper. Is that what you're getting at?
I don't know. I think I'm just going to calculate it. Right. So let's look at this. Right. So I've got 50,590 right now. SGOV is trading at what? Hang on. We need to go away. And y'all need to go away too. SGOV is trading at 100.39. So with a handy dandy calculator, we go 50,590.20 divided by 100.39 gives us 503 shares. Almost 504. Almost. You know, we could run a little margin on it. Why not? Why not? No, I'm not going to do that. It's not worth it. So we're going to buy 503 shares. So 503. And because, you know, Lex had a great point. We really should always do this just because then that eliminates any sort of risk. We're going to buy 503 at 139. Order successfully sent. It was filled. And we can see right now it just changed. I have $93 in cash left. The rest of it is in SGOV. And so we go over to portfolio. You can see the SGOV right there. Now, I will tell you, freaking silver, stupid silver.
Yeah.
How dare it tease me like that? That's what happens when your stock falls 30% in a day. But you know what? Yeah. That's fine. We rolled what we could. We took what we could out of it. We're ahead a couple bucks, but still in the U.S. Investing Championship, the objective is to sit in cash and not F up until something else comes through. So that's it, right? So now we say 503. We had 501 in January, 502 and or February, March, April. Now we're at 503. So we're gaining another whole share each month. Isn't this exciting? What's the heat map value for SPY? Let's see. Heat map value for SPY today is 32.49. Look how much it's fallen. It was 55 and then 45. Now it's down at 32. I just purchased it for 100.39. Where will I sell it at? I don't know. Probably 100.66. So we'll just leave that there for now. That's what I just sold the one for yesterday at. And if I don't do anything, that's going to take me up to 1.6%. A whole 1 point. But I got a 100% win rate on SGOV, Joe.
Yeah.
100% win rate, baby. All day.
It's got a plus sign at the beginning and not a minus sign. That's the important part.
Now, and I know somebody out there is going to be like, oh, playing ETF must suck so hard. Bro, literally, we tried it twice this year. One time it won, one time it lost. And it was right at the top right here. Now, of course, Joe, I don't know if you know this, but you can't actually see what's happening on the right-hand side of the chart. So you just have to go with your plan and understand and build into your plan that you will have losses. So I'm not even stressed about it. Literally have zero stress about it.
That's
we
right.
put on 13 whole trades for the year. Here we go. January, Chris owned a load of mining stocks that were pumping along with silver. He was up over 40% at one point. Yeah, absolutely. And then what happened to those mining stocks? They got monkey hammered.
Yeah,
right.
I think
they got monkey hammered because of the silver sell off.
You were up at like 52%, if I remember right. It was a nice run.
It was huge. But you know what happened in a single day? A 35% sell off on silver. Silver has not fallen 35% since Jesus walked the earth and Judas betrayed him for 30 pieces of silver. That was the last time silver fell that much. And we got caught on it. And that's fine. And like I say, I'm not even stressed because, you know, I'm still up a little bit. So it's fine. Okay. So that's going to wrap the actual trading for today.